But it's like beepity boopity, it doesn't work.
Banana.
So yeah, hello everybody, this is Fish. Sorry for sounding tired, but it's actually like 12 PM at the moment, and I'm starting to get fucking sleepy, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I wanted to talk about a couple of things. First of all, I want to thank you for my first 5 subscribers. It ain't much, but we gotta start from somewhere, you know. The other thing is my videos, yeah? I didn't do shit for about a month, and you're probably thinking, yeah, he did one video, he won't probably do anymore. And you might be right. No wait, you're not. Because I'm working at the moment on a big, funny video about collecting a particular fish in a particular game. It might take a while to make because yeah, I'm still learning to use programs like SFM or Premiere Pro. Also school exists, and probably they will come up with a biggest project in like 2 days. And the final and the most important thing from me, I don't want to force myself to make these videos, you know. I don't want to accidentally burn myself out because I like doing them, just I don't like spending 12 hours a day making them, you know what I mean. So yeah, wait for a funny video and wait for another big funny video, because I have something that is a cooperation with about 6 people. Yeah, it will be funny, just wait, it will be funny. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. So good day, good night, whatever you got there. See ya.